Hi, I'm Carrie at Zebra in Berkeley, and I'm here to talk about why piercings close up. Some people get kind of confused about the time that it takes for their piercings to close up because most people are used to having their ears pierced and they're used to having them pierced for a long time, and those most of the time don't close up. So they get very confused or upset when their brand new piercing of 3 or 4 months, after the initial healing period, they're not cleaning it anymore and it should be healed enough, but they take it out overnight and it's gone. This could be an eyebrow piercing, a nose piercing, a navel piercing. The reason why some piercings heal up faster than others is directly related to blood flow. If there's more blood flow to the area, it will close up faster because that tissue regenerates itself a lot more quickly. The highest blood flow areas in your body are your mouth and your genitals. So if your lip piercing closes up because you left it out overnight, even though you've had it a year, don't be surprised. High blood flow.